All right, so let's look at a more complex stress state, or actually strain gauge configuration, which is kind of shown below here. So I still have my same stress tensor. So this is going to be sigma 1, 1, sigma 2, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And now I have two strain gauges applied here, or in this configuration. So I still have 3 and 4 where my resistors are, so 0, 0. So now we need to look at, okay, 1, 1 is still aligned with one direction. So my strain in 1 is going to be equal to the strain in 1, 1, which is going to be equal to OP times sigma 1, 1 minus nu sigma 2. Now, the strain gauge in the 2 direction is aligned to the 2, 2 direction. So it's going to measure strain in 2, 2, which is going to be 1 over E times sigma 2, 2 minus nu sigma 1. So you can start to see that regardless of the kind of what stress state you're going, it's as simple as this. Or, again, it's not easy, but it's hopefully straightforward. You use the same framework. So if we have resistors, 0. That's going to be our strain. If we have strain gauges, it's going to measure the strain along the direction that is aligned. So either in the 1, 1, 2, 2, wherever you're kind of aligned. And as long as you can write out the correct expressions for strain, you can solve whatever you want for this problem. But you can start to see now that there's lots of kind of potential variables that I could give you. So you could be given delta V naught or asked to calculate. You could be given stresses, strains. So you might have to write a series of equations and relate these values in order to kind of get the correct response or the correct answer. So we're going to see, again, a little bit later on in some numerical example problems. Here we're just looking at it symbolically, how this can change and how this could get a little bit more difficult quantitatively. But we'll tackle that together. So we'll see that a little bit next time in the video. So, and actually, we're going to get into one last example of bending. And bending is a little bit more complex in this state because we have to consider, if we put it on the back, our strain gauge might be being compressed. So we'll tackle that in the next video. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.